Guys, this is my son Liam. He is 9 years old and he is starting his own YouTube channel. It is Liam the Little Savage. You guys got to check this out. This kid has a pretty wild life, okay? If you want to see this guy driving a manual car, doing donuts, ripping it around, tearing it up, sliding it, doing some drifting, I mean, he freaking killed it. So this kid's going to be doing some wild stuff, and he'll probably be able to do some ride-alongs and some reviews of some anything from 600 to 1,000 horsepower car. Let you know what he feels. You're a pro. Give him a like, subscribe, check out the channel in the pinned comment below. Hey, what's up, guys? I just had somebody contact us and tell us about an abandoned drag strip up in North Georgia, and I am really excited to check this thing out. So, guys, we've been vacationing up in North Georgia for probably 12 years. I mean, ever since my wife and I have been married, and never, ever, ever heard of this.
It's actually kind of crazy because we've talked to car people up here and
nobody mentioned anything. Yeah. You know, it didn't seem like the car scene was existent at all. And now this gentleman says, hey, yeah, sometimes we do some stuff, and we might be doing something a little crazy coming up sometime soon here. But yeah, I can't wait to take you guys with us, and let's check this out. Guys, this is Blake, and we owe him a major thank you for inviting us out here. So this is pretty sharp. I'm definitely looking forward to setting something up, and it looks like we could get a very substantial amount of speed between here and there, and we haven't even run the whole, gone up and down yet, but it looks pretty awesome. What's the story?
Well, it started in the 60s. It was Lost Mountain Dragway, I believe. Okay. And it was the only other quarter mile around here besides Commerce, which is Atlanta International Dragway. Yep. And then it run on like that for a while, and then I think they changed it to, I think it was L&M or something like that. They changed the name a little bit, and they knocked it back down to an 8. Okay. But up on the left side of the strip here, where the trees are, that used to be your bleachers. And then you can currently still see to your right that there is, that's the old return road. Yeah, so it was in operation for a while, and they kind of shut it down, and it's just been abiding its time since.
That is really cool. Definitely when cars were a little slower now, it's like, yeah. But man, that is really cool. Nature took back that, man. That's
So me and some buddies, we take to it now and do our weekend shenanigans on it. Yeah. Still gets used as a strip and enjoyed. Pavement's a little rougher now, so it's kind of hard to get a little power to stick to it, but
that ain't bad though. It looks pretty good, man.
It's not too terrible. So
doing a little no prep stuff out here is what you're saying, huh?
Little no prep. Yeah. Little no prep.
Man. And so, like, where's the shut off and where's the start? I mean, I see that there's different pavement down the way right there.
Okay, so down near the dark spot in the pavement, that's about 50 feet in front of it this way. That's where the old tree used to stand. So that's where it has been extended. It's also been extended back up toward the hill. Okay. But typically we try and get on the good pavement if there's not too much rocks in it and blow it up this way. But somewhere around this driveway right behind the truck here, there is, that's the get out point.
Okay, okay. Looks like that ought to be a good amount of space between here and there. That looks That's pretty good. You'd seen this before on our channel, so I was like, man, I really want to take you for a ride in it. Let's, I want to do that. And maybe sometime we'll come back and we'll try and set something up. So, I mean, let's kill two birds with one stone. Let's take Blake for a little shakedown and let's check out this drag strip.
So this is where I'd probably go on up and start, because I come down here earlier and checked it out, and this seems kind of gravelly, you know.
So I'm gonna walk into it here and we'll just see how it goes.
So see the square right here in the middle? That's where your tree was.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, let's just kind of walk into here. So you're basically using it as an 1/8 mile.
I'm sure with the nicest stuff you could get a quarter out of it. Yeah. But sometimes what we have out here running is not probably the safest and the nicest. Yeah. You know, so this thing freaking flies to be a big car.
Yeah, it gets up there.
Yeah.
I pulled up out of my house and there was a guy with a brand new, 911 turbo, and I saw him pull out behind me and freaking rip it right there, and I was like, oh boy. I was like, I got some E85 in this thing. Let's see what she's got. And I ran with him up to like, I don't know, probably like $120 or something like that, and he was just like, he like did a double take, and I was like, hell yeah.
Did he ask what the hell?
He's like, man, I didn't expect that. And I was like, heck no, man. It's like most people don't, but it's pretty good.
I can't believe it launches though for what it is.
Yeah, I'm like walking it, like it'll launch really, really hard. But I just with the tire that's in it and all that, like let's just try. I think this bump right there and that is gonna piss it off. We'll just try like a sort of hard launch and see how she goes. But I'll see what it'll take here. Upshifted, and then it like wanted to downshift again, but it's making up its mind there.
Yeah, it's definitely rolling out. You could really hurt a lot of feelings with this thing.
Yeah, man.
You should have took this to streetcar takeover.
Yeah, I'm just. We've had some bad luck with the drag strip, so it's like I'll do like I kind of like the no grip idea with it. So I mean maybe the Porcupotamus has a little bit of a future with the some no prep stuff, I don't know.
I want to see some Hellcat action.
I would love to do that. That sounds really, really right on to me.
Definitely the fastest daily I've been in.
That's good. That's encouraging. That's pretty good. Hey man, I wanted to make it worth your while, so
I appreciate it.
She got down pretty good. Actually, I mean, I am a little bit surprised though, truly, that it didn't spin as bad as a lot of times we have elsewhere. So
I couldn't see it from up here. It didn't spin at all.
No,
or just not.
It did. I just kind of modulated it, and then, I mean, maybe beat on the tranny a little bit more than I should have. But
Jeremy, thank God for that new trans cooler.
Yeah, thank you, Mishimoto.
So, but yeah, I mean, apparently you say you got some buddies that might want to run, and I mean, dude, I've been wanting to run a Hellcat, and so bad, maybe we can make that happen.
Yeah, I know a guy who's got one. So it should be a good time. Huh?
Is it an auto or a manual?
It's an auto. It's a pulley swapped car. I think it's close to 1,000.
Oh man, I don't have anything.
Jeremy doesn't want to race it anymore.
You'll go on street tires and I'll go on, yeah. So guys, we do come up to North Georgia any of the time where you guys see the dogs in the mountains and stuff, and that's where we're at there. So hopefully we can work in some stuff. I hear you might have a little something that we might want to set up a little grudge match, huh?
I'm working on something. We'll kind of leave it at that until it gets done.
Right. Well, I'm looking forward to it. So if this is like a no prep thing, is this like a bring your own BHT type setup?
We've done that sometimes before, but we're not going to light the asphalt on fire and all that good stuff. Get that serious about it.
Man, I'll tell you what, one time, okay, so I had, I think I was like 23 years old. I had done a little washer tank in the back of my C5 Vet, and I was like spraying nozzles of VHT on the back. It didn't really work because they had all gunked up immediately, but do you know a trick to that or something like that?
Yeah, my dad's an old drag racer, and they take it's a Holly Blue fuel pump, get you an old washer tank. Of course, you've got to thin the VHT out with some MEK.
Oh, okay.
And then get a pressure washer.
That's my mistake right there.
Where it'll spray a wide pattern behind the tire, so after you pull up doing your burnout, you can flip the pump on, and as you're backing up, it's spraying out about a 2 foot wide pattern.
That's amazing.
I'm messing with the wrong guy right here. Well, anyhow, Blake, thank you very much for inviting us out, man. And I really am looking forward to doing some future stuff here. So, if there's a Hellcat in my future, praying that'll happen. Hell yeah, dude. I'm digging this no prep thing, man. Guys, some of the videos that we've done down there in Florida at Showtime. That's been so much fun. Let's keep that going here, man. So definitely thank you again so much, man. So we'll see you next time. God bless you guys. Thanks for watching.